Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Reading JSON Files Using Python Pandas, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python Pandas is a powerful data manipulation and analysis library that provides easy-to-use data structures and functions. One common task in data analysis is reading data from different file formats, and JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a popular data interchange format. In this tutorial, we will explore how to read JSON files using pandas, with step-by-step explanations and practical code examples. Before getting started, make sure you have pandas installed. If not, you can install it using the following command. In your Python script or Jupyter notebook, import the pandas library. Assuming you have a JSON file named data.json with the following structure. You can load this JSON file into a pandas data frame using the pdread_json function. Now that you've loaded the JSON data into a data frame, you can explore its content. Use the head method to display the first few rows. The pdread_json function has an optional parameter called orient, which specifies the format of the JSON file. The default is columns, but you can also use records, index, or values depending on the JSON structure. In this tutorial, we covered the basic steps to read a JSON file using Python pandas. We demonstrated how to install pandas, import the library, load a JSON file into a data frame, and explore the data. Additionally, we touched on the optional orient parameter to handle different JSON structures. Now you have the knowledge to efficiently read JSON files and leverage the capabilities of pandas for further data analysis in your Python projects. ChatGPT.